If you're someone who prioritizes space and security over more water storage, then this is the pack for you. Hey Lunchbox fam, my name's Jose and today I'm going to be breaking down our Lunchbox Lite. On this pack, you're going to find on the side a hidden pocket and breathable mesh straps on the back. On the inside of the pack, you're going to find 2 zipper pockets on the back panel, and when you flip it around, there's going to be a mesh pocket big enough to hold a 32-ounce water bottle, and even 2 more pockets on the sides. And in case you were worried, we do have the anti-theft clips, the EL wire loops on the sides, and the adjustable straps. If you're someone who's looking for something even smaller than this, then check out our mini pack or our sling pack. If you have any questions, leave us a comment down below and follow us on all our socials, and remember to smash that like button for the algorithm.